No cooking or baking today, just juice making. Carrot juice, one of Jamaica's favorite juices. So what we need, a blender, 2 pounds of carrots, washed, peeled and cut into smaller pieces. Some vanilla, some nutmeg, and condensed milk to sweeten. And I'll come up the rear with the rum when it's needed. I'm going to start with 2 cups of water, 1 cup of water in the blender to start with. I should use between 4 to 5 cups of water. I've drained the water that I had the carrot sitting in, so now I'm going to start the blending. So you're going to hear some noise from the machine. Another cup of water. There it goes. I'm going to blend the carrots in 2 batches. Well, this is the second batch of juice. I'm just putting back the pulp in the blender. I'm going to add a little water to it and strain again so that I get everything there is to get from the carrots. I added a 1/5 cup of water to the pulp. So this is the juice from the carrots. And now I'm going to sweeten and flavor. Nutmeg, vanilla, and like I said before, a tip of rum. How could I leave this out? This is the most important part. Sweeten with condensed milk. So I'm going to put another 1/4 of a tin to make it half a tin, and that should be sweet enough for most people. I think it needs to be sweeter since it's going to be served with ice. So I'm going to add some more condensed milk. You could use a little sugar if you know, whatever suits you. But I'm going to add some more condensed milk. This is 2/3 of the tin. I think that's enough sweetening. If I put any more condensed milk in this, because it already have started taking away the carrot taste, and we don't need that. We don't need to have condensed milk flavor instead of carrot flavor. I'm going to put a tablespoon of vanilla and a 1/4 teaspoon of finely grated nutmeg. Actually, this should be sprinkled on the top when you're serving it. I'm going to add some rum. I use 5 cups of water, and if you want it to taste have a strong flavor of carrots, do not use more than 4 cups of water to the 2 pounds of carrots. If you're going to use 5 cups of water, because you need a lot of juice, you've got to use more carrots. Okay? Here's the traditional way of making carrot juice, sweetened with condensed milk. Delicious. But there's also another way of making carrot juice, which came long after this traditional one. The carrot juice, no condensed milk. You use sugar, lime juice, and grated ginger for the blend. For the recipe and all the procedure for making carrot juice, go to my website, cooklikeajamaican.com. And enjoy this for the summer, whichever way you make it, with lemon juice and ginger or with condensed milk. Equally good. Enjoy!